Okay.
Where are we going today?
We are going to Anhinga Park, I think is what it's called.
Anhinga?
Anhinga. I have to look up the name because I don't remember. I've never actually said it out loud.
And we're gonna see what?
We're gonna hopefully see birds and gators and all sorts of stuff. It's in the Everglades.
So, gators or a crocodile, in Mizo we call ole.
They're both the same?
Ole. Yeah, both same. We don't have
Oh.
any separate name. Can you say ole?
Hey, what's the first syllable? Kole?
Oh.
Oh. Ole?
Yeah, ole.
Like ole.
Yeah, like ole, but
Okay.
ole, le. That's
Le.
it. Ole.
Ole.
And ole. Jangan pun here homestead niya greenhouse te ang katap to pa. Pag circle tinatawag the nursery akala ko sila.
Like these paths along here for bikes and walking.
Right, yeah. It's nice. Oh.
Wow. This truck doesn't have to have a license plate?
Exam?
This vehicle is exempt from the display of license plate under Florida Statute 320.8131.
Wow. How can you get that kind of license plate? That's cool.
Maybe you have to haul around whatever that is.
But what is that anyways?
It's very agricultural stuff.
Pay for toll fee or what?
$35.
What? How much was discount?
It's free.
Oh. Mom, look alive.
Dogs.
You want to look at it?
15 feet.
Yeah.
Go get as close as you did and
Just hanging out.
yeah.
That's nice.
Zooms in pretty good.
Yep. Miramat san tian an ramsa te tin hay nung sa shim shimi tian hung khat cha em ma de lai pula hian invitation.
Dragonfly.
Hmm.
All around.
Hey, how about you? There's a blue tilapia.
Yeah,
Pike fish? Killfish? Wow.
It was quite a few of them already.
Yeah. Boy.
We can always do a full drawing. Okay.
Oh, there's more.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah. I hope this bridge is stable. Cần ngủ mà sắp về alligator chứ cái đấy. Nia đã win powell mấy nhỉ? Soan hết tấm bằng áp han nào mà. Tập phố khơi là mấy à? Mark up on. Akal chân tốc là sức trời chứ. Nó mà thế đi.
Oh,
What?
the bird on the tree.
Oh, that's nice. I think that's the same one that we saw before. Come. That's big. It's a big one. I don't want to drop my phone. That's scary.
Oh, he's in the water now. Oh, he moved forward. Wasn't he further back?
That's a little bit bigger than the rest of the alligator that we saw.
There's two of them.
That's two?
Or its tail is curved in a way. See, doesn't that one go that way? And then there's something else right there. That's two. Yeah, that's a little tiny one. That's like a mom and their baby.
Really?
Yeah, you can see its eye right there. There's two of them.
And a mom and a baby. Wow. That guy really likes to show up off there.
It does. I think it won't fly away if you walk toward him.
No, he's not scared of human at all.
No. Well, it's all the way out and it's still. There you go. There you go.
It's just arm length away.
Yeah. Very,
It's so cool.
that's probably enough of that guy.
How was it?
Good. We saw what, 5, 6 alligators?
6 alligators.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the baby alligator.
Those birds, and one of them was eating a fish.
Yes.
So that was cool.
And also the turtle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We saw a few turtles. And then
Yeah,
I
there's
think
a
one
lot
even-
of turtles.
Yeah, one of them even dove after a fish. And now, cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls, yes.
Some of the best cinnamon rolls
Yeah,
ever.
we
from what
earn
hear.
it, right?
We walked probably maybe a mile. So that's
Maybe a mile.
that's
Yeah,
like
it's not too
200
far.
calories or something. Shoot. Well, what are they looking at?
I don't know. Let's see.
They're all pointing at something.
Sophie, is that a bass or a tilapia?
Where am I?
Oh, the fish.
Oh, those, yeah. Whoa, look at that one. That's the one that we saw.
Ngon về tệ với nhau. Tối nangin lột khác đấy. Hurricane Andrew impact. Gumbo Limbo.
Fun to say.
Yeah.
All right. So we go out to a strangler fig and an oak tree and come back.
Zebra long-winged butterfly.
Borrow pit.
Gray-eyed bird. What the?
Oh, there's a nole. Okay. Nole. How do you say that?
Be careful. Botanical Wonderland. Set.
Wow, it's popular.
How popular.
Why did we not see any cars until right here? Are they all going somewhere else?
This is where everything happens, it seems like. They sell firewoods too. Yeah.
I don't know if these are. Oh, you pick. Get it. I don't know which one's the good one. Look at the size of those avocados.
Look at that mango.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a few of those.
It's cool. I like everything. Hey, Anhinga daw sir ang chat sa amin. Hey, Anhinga kasi daw po. Ostrich de emu eggs. Simihi dollars on the pangana $80 on the pangaman.
What are these?
Miracle berries, it enhances the flavor of everything you eat afterwards for about 30 minutes to 2 hours. So practically you kind of just, you don't eat the seed, you kind of just work around it, and then afterwards it makes everything like really sweet. So like a lime would taste like lemon.
Is it worth it?
It is.
Okay. All
It's
right.
cool, you have to try it.
Yeah, I've never even heard of that.
This is cool. You can feel the birds over Oh yeah. Oh, they all live together. Oh, there's an ostrich over there. Wow, look at that turtle. Oh,
Turtle, baby. Open his mouth.
yeah.
Let me see you touch the turtle. Yeah.
Sampler. Level kan han teston ni her. Mihili telay farma ang siya na. Sampler na. Brisket te. Smoke. Alligator no te.
They've been eating our food too.
Alligator no te. Calm down.
They go back to the Everglades. Yeah, so we're thinking about rescuing some more gators so they can do this like every 2 weeks. Because we come here like every Saturday and Sunday. We want to alternate.
That makes sense.
Yeah, but here like I alternate them like every hour.
His feet. Cool.
Yeah, his tail is so.
Where are we heading right now?
Knaus Berry Farm. Knaus?
And what are we gonna get?
We're gonna get some berries. We're gonna be very healthy.
Oh, just berries?
Yep. We're not gonna get cinnamon rolls, that's for sure. That would be crazy. That would be cinnamon farm.
We're driving all the way here just for this, but we're just gonna get berries.
I've heard they're very good.
They're very good.
Yes.
We'll see when we
Try that.
get. Yay!
Your destination is on the right.
Wow, it's popular. Look at that. Lots of
Some
new
milkshakes
highlight.
line.
Oh, it's always a milkshake. We're not so much into milkshake.
Alright. We'll have to walk.
Okay. Can stop in Nongber. Buena. Can stop in Nongber. And trying it.
It's an hour to go.
Head north towards Southwest 248th Street, Coconut Palm Drive.
Good.
Let's go.
Thank you. That's really good. I like the crunchy. Crunchy cinnamon.
그래서 좀 video of me do to niya Say bye.
Bye. Where's the
That's
camera?
all for today.
Yep. Bye.
Our last stop, and that will be all for today. And bye. Bye bye. Kumanta na kan video to katizong kanya nga kan video dang milaw kesa lecha donya.
More of this. This is good.
Key lime slush in Madam so. Bye.
162nd.
Take it to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego. Baby, I wanna take you down to Kokomo. We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go. Way down to Kokomo.